In this video, I will show you how I rescued this kitten from the streets and found for her a loving home, like you see in these clips. I found this kitten sleeping on the side of the street. She was very filthy, as you can see. I felt sorry for her. The weather was bad and it was about to rain. She was clearly alone and she had no mother. So I took her to my home. At first, she was very scared and tried to hide, but I managed to calm her down, like this. After that, I gave her her first bath ever. As you can see, she did not enjoy it. You can see the full video of her bath in the link in the description. After the bath, I tried to keep her warm as much as possible. You can see the difference for yourself. We became good friends, and she didn't want to stay away from me for 1 second. I gave her her first meal. She enjoyed it a lot. She only slept in this box for some reason. Like I said before, we became good friends. She was always with me. I gave her another bath to make sure she's clean now. And after that, I gave her some more food. Here's some cute photos of her. I showed the kitten to my niece. She loved it a lot. لا تخافي. هيك. تعي. يلا مثل ما علمتك. ايوه هيك. كمان مرة. بشويش كمان مرة بشويش. حلوة كوكو. لا تخافي. اجت كوكو. قولي لها تعي.
يلا روحي انتي اعملي لي هيك. لا تخافي، اعملي لي هيك بس هيك. راحت.
Here is more cute photos of her. I read somewhere that using this technique will remind her of her mother. I was very busy these days, and I didn't have a lot of experience with kittens, so I put her for adoption. A girl contacted me and she said that she have 3 cats. So I thought for myself that will be great for her. These were the last photos I took of her before moving into her new home. These are the first photos of her in her new home. She seemed to be happy. Like I said before, the girl that took her had more cats in her home. You can see how much it has grown, and you can see how much she is relaxed and happy in her new home. At first I was scared that the other cats will harm her, but I was wrong. This is her new family now. At first I was sad to give her away, but now I'm sure I did the right thing. She's with other cats, she's happy with them, and she's playing with them all the time. You can see that with a little effort, I managed to rescue this kitten from the streets and to have for her a nice and loving home. This is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.